Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can make money when Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies falling. How to find the best trades with the smallest risk and highest potential, when you should entry, exit, and how to scale your positions in order to maximize your profits.
First thing that you need to make sure when trading cryptocurrency is to trade the right crypto. Most people who lose money in trading are losing money because they're trading the wrong cryptocurrency. That is why we developed a scanning system that is helping us to find the best opportunities for trade. This scanning system consists of 4 criteria. First thing that we are looking for is volume. Volume is very important when we are looking for new trades. And there are 2 reasons for that. First one is that volume is providing us with liquidity. So in any moment we can get in and get out from the large positions. Second thing is that volume is showing us that many other investors and traders are interested in the same cryptocurrency. For example, you could see on this chart Shiba Inu cryptocurrency trading with a volume 2 or 3 times more than usual. That is what we want to see when trading. When you have a lot of other traders and investors looking at the same cryptocurrency and the same patterns, they're actually supporting your trade, so it is easier to make money. Second thing we are looking for is pattern. You need to find one of the patterns on the chart, so there is a bigger probability that the trade is going to go your way. Some of the patterns are double top, head and shoulders, rising wedge, we have double bottom, some of the triangles, flags, and other patterns. Also, pattern can be breakout or pullback of some of the moving averages. As you will see in this chart, whenever DOT cryptocurrency touched 99 EMA, it was a good opportunity for shorting. Once we find volume and pattern, we are looking at the different time frames. We are looking at the weekly chart, daily chart, 4-hour and 1-hour chart. So we are looking if there is any pattern, breakout or breakdown that we can notice on some of these charts. Once we find the perfect opportunity, we are using some of our crypto masterclass strategies for the best entry. Sometimes we are using the news to show us the big movements. For example, 2 days ago I talked about Fed meeting and we were waiting to see the reaction of the market. The market didn't react well, so we decided to short Ethereum. In this moment we have 4.32 Ethereum shorted, entry price is 1304, stop loss is on 1317. We are risking around $50, profit is around $550. This trade, we've already made 10 times of our risk, which is 1 to 10 risk to reward. We risked $50 and we're already up $500 in this trade. So the real question is how to find trades like this with the lowest risk and highest potential possible. After the news that Fed made decision about interest rates, all cryptocurrency had a big volume, which made our first criteria. After the news, we started analyzing Ethereum on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, Ethereum is making lower lows and lower highs, which is a clear sign of a downtrend. We could see that Ethereum made a few pullbacks and it always finds resistance on one of the moving averages. Here, it tried to break out 12 EMA and it made a wick, which is another sign of a downtrend. After that, we have a drop. On a daily chart, we could see that Ethereum broke out a very important resistance level. After that, it didn't have strength to continue, so it was a fake out and it found resistance on 50 simple moving average. 50 simple moving average is a very strong resistance and support line. So breakdown of this little red candle is just another sign for us to short. After that, we are taking a look at the 4-hour chart and trying to find opportunity for shorting on 1-hour chart. Here we could notice a setup of our ADV crypto breakdown strategy. from our crypto masterclass. So we decided to short the breakdown of $1,304 and we put stop loss on 1,317. Based on our crypto trading calculator, we risked just $50 for this trade. Our strategies usually have 1 to 2 to 1 to 4 risk to reward. And here, when the price touched 200 simple moving average, which is a very strong support and resistance line, we were already up $200, which is 1 to 4 of our risk, which was $50. But after the 200 simple moving average touch, we didn't have a pullback, but Ethereum was just continuing with the falling down. So we didn't just get out of the position, we were scaling our position. So we put our stop if any candle close about 200 SMA. In that way, we are giving Ethereum a chance to continue falling and in that way to maximize our profit. That is exactly what happened. Ethereum fell down and it tried to break out one of the candlesticks up. It was a fake out again, so after this candle, we put the stop on the high of this candle. So if the Ethereum breaks it up, we can take our profit. As you can see, this didn't happen, and after that, we had another price falling continuation. We put our stop on high of $1,218, and if Ethereum broke that level, we will be up $373, which is 8 times of our investment. Price didn't touch that level and continue falling. So we put our next stop on the highest level, which is $1,185. If price comes back and touch this level, our profit will be $516. If the price continue falling, we will make more money, and that is actually the beauty of scaling and crypto trading at all. Last month, we finished with more than $3,000 in profit. All our entries and exits, together with the Binance statement, we published on our ADV Capital Academy Instagram profile. If you would like to learn about crypto trading and investing, we've made a free crypto trading course that you can find in the description of this video. There is a full playlist. Also, my colleagues and I analyze more than 20 different cryptocurrency that you can follow and decide if you would like to invest in them. I hope that you learned something new today. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.